in soul. I selected soul, because it's quite a unique kind of supplement I've ever seen before. Because one thing, it is so easy, to consume. What you do is just snip off the tap of the sachet and just drink it right away. Because I feel that, taking soul has got so much of benefits, especially in the area of antioxidant, anti-inflammation, and anti-infection. Wow, there's all three all together lumped up and in that little sachet, And of course, it's well known that soul, it helps, or it helps, or it enhances the healing process of any kind of illness or disease, that has been treated by Western medication. So it enhances the healing effect of that particular disease or illness. That is a wonderful thing. And furthermore, taking soul itself is so convenient, as I've said already. You need not go to taking so many types of medication. And furthermore, when you take Western drugs, for example, most tablets and most capsules, they are all coated with some kind of drug too. So by consuming those, you may eventually, if of course your immunity system is not so strong, you'll be infected, you see, and then there will be big problem.
Yeah.
So it is
important. Frank, how do you find that soul that helps you in what way? Why you have been continuing? You've been consuming for 4-5 years.
I'm consuming that because prior to my taking soul, I was an outdoor person, exercises and playing games and so on. I used to catch cold quite easily, And I found that, hey, with Western treatment too, I couldn't get this off my nose, So finally I thought that, why not try soul, as Peter, for example, had recommended me to try this particular supplement. So I tried it, and it was so amazing. After, I believe, I took around about 4 to 5 boxes of these soul supplements. It helped me in my health in one sense, in the sense that when I got up in the morning, I had practically no sneezing at all. And gradually I've felt that, my body constitution, is getting better. I feel warmer. And that, I believe, helps a lot, especially through consuming this particular supplement. It helps my immunity system too. So my diet, it will be very simple, but very complete, nutritious. And I used to have constipation. So constipation after taking salt, apart from the sinus that I was suffering, my constipation gradually went home already. So I am more or less relaxed and more having more time, to resort to taking all kind of other activities, and at the same time to promote, the effectiveness of this particular tiny sachet, that could really create amazing wonders. So that is what I feel. And finally, my general health condition has improved. And I think up to date, I'm still consuming soul. So this is my little short testimony on the goodness of this particular brand of health supplement, Rain Soul Supplement.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Frank. Yeah. Remember that the other day, friend, one of your friend was asking you, what have you been doing that, why your energy is so high, you walk so steady.
Oh,
By the way, how young are you, Frank?
Yeah.
How young are you?
Sure. Pardon?
How young are you? How young are you?
Pardon?
How old are you?
Hello?
Hello?
Well, you think how old?
How old are
From
you?
the look of my picture.
I don't know. Anyone make a guess?
It's just a wild guess.
80?
Huh?
80? 75,
80?
80.
70? 70, I buy you dinner. I am an octogenarian. You know octogenarian? Octogenarian are people who are aged
89.
from 80 to 89. So I just turned only 85.
Wow, happy birthday. Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
because a lot of people, observe that, though I may be old in age, but they think that I look a little bit younger than that particular number.
You are.
So they ask me about that. Then I explained. Number one, age is immaterial. It's just a number. Everybody knows that. But then there are two types of interpretation you can make. One is chronological age. Do you know what is chronological age? I mean, during your lifespan, say 40, 50 years, how many years you were enjoying life with good health? That is the way you have to see it, have to put it. That is why, as you know, just a simple observation. Some people, they look young, you see, but wow, they are the faces, the actions, the systems, all dried up already. So old, because they had not had any or sufficient years of happiness, healthy life. So you base on that. And on the other hand, some people, perhaps, they are they are young, they are old, but they look young. Maybe just like myself. You see? So it is opposite. So that you cannot base on your biological age. Biological age meaning when a person is born first day, and then the last day when he goes home. That is the actual number of all.
You'll be always 51, age. Okay, Frank? You're always 51. Thank you for sharing. Yes.